Hey everyone, Tammy Russell, your Outer Banks realtor here, and I am in front of my new listing on Holly Trail in Southern Shores. This is an amazing property and extremely rare to find, almost 2 acres on the waterfront here in Southern Shores. So we're gonna go in, take a look. You'll have to let me know what you think. Like I say, this is a unicorn, definitely will not last long. Welcome to Holly Trail. This property was built by the renowned builder Dave Price, and the quality and attention to detail really showed throughout the entire home. We have solid wood cabinetry with soft closed doors. The trim work in this home is absolutely stunning. Granite on the kitchen island with solid surfacing throughout the outer perimeter of the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, double wall oven. The solid surfacing even goes up as a backsplash, so very easy to maintain and clean, and in a nice neutral color palette. The ground level has really high ceilings, so just a beautiful, nice, bright, airy feeling in here. Tons of natural light coming in throughout all the windows and sliders. We have a beautiful sunroom area. And you can access the grilling deck either from the kitchen or from this sunroom, which makes it very convenient. You have a wood-burning fireplace here, beautiful custom built-ins. The hardwood flooring is in immaculate condition. There's a powder room right here off the foyer area. And then, of course, everyone loves having the master ensuite here on the ground level and has stunning views out to the backyard and to the canal. You also have access to the hot tub right here off the master suite. The closet is everybody's dream as far as storage. Even has a window in here. Plenty of room to spread all your items out. Master bath has beautiful tile, gorgeous stone vanity top with a double vanity. Again, lots of windows in here, beautiful trim work. You've got a jetted soaker tub, as well as a large walk-in shower. Now, right off the foyer, we do have a home office. There's a built-in desk here, as well as built-in shelving. We'll head up to the second floor. Now, to our right, we've got lots of extra storage closets out here, but this is a second bedroom that has its own private ensuite bath. More views looking out over the canal in the backyard. And here, this is your bathroom. Another tile shower. One of the things that really stood out to me too is that it's all solid wood doors through here. So you're not going to see any of the hollow core cheap doors. Everything was built just first class. Beautiful wood wainscoting. Now on this side of the house, we have a guest bedroom, has 2 closets, and you can see this is a really good sized room. We've got a crib here, as well as the bed, nightstand. So again, large room. And then this room is also a bedroom. They were using it as a second home office, but it actually has a built-in Murphy bed. So great solution if you just occasionally need this room for guests, but have other ideas on what you'd like to use it for. The majority of the time, has another balcony. Again, more views from this room. And nice big closet. This is the bathroom that services the 2 guest bedrooms upstairs. With another tile shower. This is the room over the garage, and you can see they have it set up as a fabulous home gym. Would also make a great game room, rec room. The possibilities are really endless up here. I think this is my favorite part of this entire house. Look at these ceilings on this porch. Isn't this gorgeous? And the covered porch goes the entire width of the home. You do have the hot tub out here. And then we have the breezeway that goes over to the garage, as well as a storage building out here and a greenhouse. So when you're stepping down from the porch in the back of the home, you almost feel like you're in an enchanted garden. It's just hard to believe that you can find this much privacy and this much land here on the Outer Banks. Again, it's almost 2 acres with great canal frontage. The canal leads right out to Gingite Creek, to the Sound. So you can have your boat docked right here in your backyard. Hey, look at this property, guys. It is just gorgeous. The property actually continues to wrap around. And right here we have a great little launch for jet skis, or you could take your kayaks, canoes, paddle boards right down into the water. And then here you can see the back of the greenhouse and the 2-car garage along with a storage shed. The other thing I want to point out is this canal has a lot of movement. So you're never going to get stagnant water here. There's always a nice breeze. If you'd like more information on this property or any others here on the Outer Banks, be sure to reach out, give us a call, or shoot us a text. We're here to help.